Now I've got my little soft in my lap. It's my little soft. Look at all that softness right there, huh? Wow. Especially right here. Ooh, now that's soft. I really like how soft that is. Yeah. And then this, oh, this is a smooth place. See how I got his feet? Try to get his butt that way. So if he has to take a poop, it won't go on my pants. Also, I kind of don't like him to just spring out of my lap. It's not really good for him. See that? Oh! Oh, that was a terrible landing. So I'd try to stop that, but sometimes he wants down for a good reason. That's my little Twinkie. And see how he shakes down? Normally, if you want your dog to do a shakedown, they go head first, shoulders first, and then their tail. But when he does a shakedown, he goes tail first, shoulder first, and then his head. They do the reverse shakedown. Yeah, once we have a good cuddle, he needs to get up and preen because unfortunately we ruffle his feathers just a little bit. Anyways, just a little cuddle session we were just now having.